Hey guys, this is Eric, Barbecue Anytime. Welcome back. Today we are doing barbecue chicken pizza on the Roccbox. Let's go.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Today we are making homemade pizza. We are not at the house. We are at my sister and brother-in-law's house who are gonna let us try out the Roccbox, try some barbecue pizza today. For today's ingredients, we are using some deli cheddar cheese, mozzarella, fresh jalapenos, red onion, and of course, some grilled barbecue chicken. Today's base for the pizza is a little bit different. We're not using tomato sauce, although we are making some regular pizzas to go along for the kids. We are using Mark's chicken and rub barbecue sauce. We are also gonna kick it up a notch, some Louisiana hot sauce. My brother-in-law is the expert on fresh pizza dough, which he started yesterday when we were here. And so today it sat overnight and we're gonna get ready to start rolling it out and put the toppings together to create these pizzas. Let's check it out. This is John. He has the dough ready to go. Sat overnight, right?
Yeah, so we'll just flour the surface here. All right, here we are. Got the dough here. Let's pick this one out.
Yesterday afternoon, so it's been in the fridge after he made it overnight for at least 24 hours.
Don't forget to close this so your other dough doesn't get too nasty. We will stretch it out. kind of let gravity do its thing and bring it down. You can kind of see where it's too thin, if it gets too thin somewhere, so you don't break your dough. We'll get it as close to round as we can, so then we'll move it.
So here we have, this is all the toppings. It's the cheese that I grated, the cheddar cheese, the chicken thighs, we got some jalapenos, and we have the red onion. We are going to use, like I said, Mark's chicken rub barbecue sauce. We're not going to go crazy with it. This is Neapolitan style pizza, so it's real thin. There we go. Throw some barbecue sauce. This is the same thing we would do if we were making regular pizzas with actual pizza sauce. So barbecue sauce, we're gonna go ahead and top it like we would just a traditional pizza. Throw some of that chicken on it. And let's throw some more chicken on there. Yeah.
That spot looks a little lonely, so we'll get some friends there.
We don't have to go crazy with the red onion, just a couple pieces. So these are personal size pizzas. I would say roughly about 7 inches, 8 inches, just depending on how thin you roll them out. We got jalapenos. So those jalapenos are fresh jalapenos. Go ahead and load it. So how hot is this thing?
It is between 400 and 500 degrees Celsius.
How long does it
So
take?
whatever that means Fahrenheit.
How long does it take to cook?
It can be done in under 2 minutes.
Okay, so there it is, guys. This is the Roccbox. Oh, you can smell it cooking. So we got the fire in the back.
Let's give it a quick turn. Might be ready.
Oh yeah, cool. Avocado. Okay, so the pizza cooks really fast. We added some avocado on top. There's a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce to kind of kick it up, so it's more like a buffalo chicken. So this is the first one we've made. Super quick, super fast. We're gonna experiment. The next one we're gonna try some mozzarella as a base, and we're gonna include the cheddar on there. So this is just experiment and go. See whatever you like. There you go, John. Go for it.
Get the one with the least jalapeno.
This is just a barbecue pizza. Really never tried it before. Just I've seen other people try and use these Roccbox, and so I wanted to try it out. So there it is. What do you think?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's good. Not too spicy.
Didn't overkill it with the barbecue sauce. Has a chicken in every bite. Maybe we can throw more chicken on it. Super hearty pizza, but we've eaten pizza here at my sister's house before. John makes really good pizza, and we typically just don't eat one. So it's always a lot of pizza. The kids are inside too, so we'll give one of them a slice of this to see how they like it. But I like it. I think we should do another one. The wives can try the other two. They'll let us know how they like it too. So we'll get started on the next one too. I really enjoyed that pizza. We're gonna go ahead and try and add a little bit more topping, and we're gonna do mozzarella based on this one too. So The recipe that you made yesterday, how many pizza doughs did we get out of? 8?
We got, no, this one we got 7.
Okay.
One of them is a little bit smaller than the others. So that one will be the one for the kids, I guess, because we'll eat all the big ones. But I didn't measure them out. Normally I try to get them about 250 grams so that it makes a pizza about this size.
So this one, we are going to put a little bit more barbecue sauce.
All right, we'll put some mozzarella.
Yeah, let's do mozzarella. Let's do some more chicken.
It'll be kind of layered. And then some more onion.
And we'll have some pizza. It's the second pizza, mozzarella added with the cheddar for the cheese on this one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the pizza with the mozzarella on top. Boom. Oof. It's only in there for 2 minutes, but that thing's so hot. I mean, it's burning as far as temperature. But let's go in for a bite. Yeah,
I like it with the mozzarella.
So adding the mozzarella and then adding a little bit more of the barbecue sauce, I think it makes it more a little bit heavier as far as like a real pizza that you would typically get at one of the chains or something like that. But that crust is awesome. Great crust. Thanks, John. So we still got a lot of toppings. We're gonna make some murder pizzas. The wives really enjoyed this, so they're waiting for us, and the kids are anxiously waiting to come outside to enjoy some of this pizza and your standard pepperoni pizza for them. This is Eric, Barbecue Anytime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you next time. Cheers.
Can I grab one?
Yeah, go for it. Just put it on the napkin. It's hot.